Ciao, it's Nancy. Today we are making a morel mushroom spaghetti. Alright, so we're going to be using a whole onion, just cut it in half, remove the skin, and now we're going to dice it. Chop, chop, chop. Onto the second half. Into the pot it goes with some garlic and some chili peppers. Now we're on to our morel mushrooms. Just squeeze out the excess water. Give that a chop as well. Chop, chop, chop. And into the bowl to be transferred over to the pot. Give that a mix. And for our protein, we are using ground beef. Add the liquid that we used to rehydrate the mushrooms. In goes some tomato paste. Give that a good mix. And the sauce is ready. Thumbs up for that pasta twist. In goes our pasta into our sauce. Finish it off with some butter, just slide that in. Now we're moving on to some garlic bread. First, peel some garlic. And smash it to get rid of the skin easily. Add some butter into the bowl, and we're going to crush garlic into that bowl. Then we're going to melt it in the microwave and let it rest in the fridge. Once it's solidified, you can spread that onto your bread. And into the pan it goes. Give that a flip. And dinner is served. Thanks for watching.